Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and well, we have the preview updates, these famous updates that are the bug fixes for the month of February, have been released today, February the 24th. So all you have to do is go into your Windows updates and check your updates, and you will see something that's KB5077241 for both 24H2, 25H2. And this brings your build number to 26100.7922 for 24H2 or 26200.7922 for the 25H2 builds. So what's in this few little things, there will be a new network speed test tool in the taskbar that is available when you go to the quick settings. So this is one of the options that will be available for testing your network speeds. New camera settings where there will be possibility of offering settings for the supported cameras that have pan and tilt options. There's now the system monitor. We talked about it in a video a few weeks ago where it would be available within the system. So if you use the system monitor, Sysmon, that popular tool for monitoring the logging system activity is available, and the optional features. So to enable it, you have to go to your settings and to the system and go into the optional features. And in these optional features, you will have the option to turn on in the features Sysmon. Microsoft recommends that if you already have it installed, to remove it before you install it from here in the features options. And so there's also other improvements in there. So it is now available. Go and check it out, and hope that that fixes things that because it does fix a few things that are also problematic within the Windows operating system. Hopefully it fixes maybe something that you have as a problem. And of course, if you have nothing wrong, if you don't care about it, you can just ignore it. It will eventually show up when you get Patch Tuesday of March, and that will, of course, install it at the same time. And because it's a preview update, you know, we never know when it could be breaking something. So that's something to know. And so if you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.